Hi and welcome to this short video presentation on how to place an order with ETX Capital. The first thing I do before the market opens, apart from checking the pre-market session, is to go into the MT4 software and I just right click on a blank space within the MT4 Dow chart. Make sure it's the Dow chart that you have selected. Right click on a blank space and then come down to trading and then new order. This brings up the new order pane, which you can see in front of you, and again always check the top here to make sure it's the right market you want to place the trade in, because there's many times in the past where in haste you can have 2 or 3 charts loaded and then click on the wrong one, and before you know it you're trading something other than that which you wanted to trade. The next thing is to choose how much you're going to bet per point, and then it's just a matter of having the ticket set up on the computer's desktop ready for any trade that comes up in the market. So that's the first thing I do whilst waiting for the market to get going. So once the trade appears, and here we have a buy signal appearing on the price chart there, we're alerted with the alarm in the top right, or the visual alarm. Also there's an audible alarm, and of course the other clue is that we have the trading plan overlaid onto the price chart there as well. So now it's a case of waiting for the market to qualify the signal. So in this case, on the buy side, we're looking for the market to go through the entry price, and just as prices go through the entry price there, what I do then is the order ticket that I prepared earlier, I then activate and select, and again just check to make sure I've got the right symbol, the amount I'm going to bet per point, and also obviously the focus here is to buy the market. So the market's gone through the entry price, it's qualified it, and now it's a case of buying the market. So now I'm just going to pause this video again, and you'll see now I'm active in the market. You will see that there's a line on the MT4 chart where I've actually bought this market, and then down in the bottom you can see there the trade is active, which is currently showing a minus 1.57 loss there, of course, which is always the case because of the spread going into the trade. So then it's just a matter of watching the trade and waiting to see if the market gets to the scalp target or any other resistance areas that are in the way, which we have on this chart. And as you see there, the market's stuck at this resistance and then eventually breaking through and hitting the scalp. Now you'll see I'm not racing to the MT4 account to actually close this trade. I'm just watching it just to see how it's coping with the scalp area. And this is a sort of something that you develop over years of trading. You're not really phased by the fact that it's got to the scalp and you want to just immediately get out of the trade. And you can sit and watch, you've got other target prices there as well. But for the purpose of this exercise, just to show you how to place the trades and to get out of the trades, I'm going to get out of this one at the scalp, so you can see how to actually do this in a couple of mouse clicks. So I'm watching the market, and then you'll see me move down to the bottom left where we have the MT4 account. You can see there at the moment we've got 16, 18 points on the table, and I'm moving down there now. Now what you can do in the MT4 account is very simple. You just right click on the current trade, and this brings up the window new order, close order, or modify or delete. In this case, with one click we can just close this trade out. So you'll see me actually do that in just a moment. So the market's still trying to move a bit higher, and just before I do that, you'll also notice, you can see there the market trading above the entry price there, showing the number of points on the table that were available. So if you're a buyer of the market, you want to see the market above the line where the order was executed within the account, and of course if you're a seller, you want to see the price bars below to show the profit. So now you see the trade closed out, and it's as simple as that. So just keep in mind, if you're going to sell the market, you just do the opposite to what we've just seen. And also if you have a situation where the market trades down towards the stop loss, again you just do the same thing. You just right click on the active order and select close, and this will close out the trade completely. Do not open a new ticket, because then you will be actually a buyer and a seller of the market, and it won't actually close the trade out. So the trick is to right click on the active trade and then left click on close, and this will close out the trade completely. Right, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next, and any questions, please get in touch.